Homemade applesauce is simple to make, makes the kitchen smell incredible, and tastes much better than anything you can buy at the store. Start with 4 pounds of crisp, sweet apples. These are Honeycrisp and Fuji, but use what you love. I'm peeling my apples today since the process is a bit easier than when using skin-on apples. If you'd like to use skin-on, we have tips on Inspired Taste. Peel the apples however you like. An apple peeler does make things go quickly, but a veggie peeler does the trick too. Now that the apples are peeled, we need to core and cut them into chunks. Do this with an apple cutter or use a knife. Use what you have. Throw the apple pieces into a big, heavy pot. I'm using my Dutch oven. Then take it over to the stove and pour in a 1/4 cup of water, about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and some spices. I'm using a cinnamon stick, star anise, and vanilla extract. I forgot the vanilla extract at first. Whoops. Okay, so cover the pot with its lid and cook on medium-low until the apples are really soft. Give the apples a stir every now and then. Here's the forgotten vanilla extract. I'm adding 1½ teaspoons. Even though I added it later on, it didn't make a difference in flavor. Now that the apples have been cooking for about half an hour, they are nice and soft. Take the pot off of the heat and let the apples sit for about 10 minutes. Then remove the spices and blend or mash the apples. The tool you use is up to how smooth you like your applesauce. Here I'm using a potato masher, which makes chunky applesauce, but the food mill or a blender helps to make it smooth. And that's it. Homemade applesauce that's full of fresh apple flavor. I just love it. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.